Gasification is a thermochemical process. It converts carbon-based raw materials into producer gas or syngas. Producer gas or syngas are used in domestic power supply. So gasification is a thermochemical process. It converts carbon-based raw materials into producer gas or syngas that are used in domestic power supply. Design of gasifier depends on type of fuel used and portable or stationary gasifier. Design of gasifier depends on type of fuel used in this gasifier and the structure of gasifier, that is portable or stationary. Producer gas, syngas. Producer gas is generated at low or less than 1000 degrees Celsius temperature. Producer gas is the mixture of combustible gases plus non-combustible gases. Combustible gases are hydrogen, carbon monoxide and methane. Non-combustible gases are nitrogen and carbon dioxide. So combustible gases are methane, carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Non-combustible gases are nitrogen and carbon dioxide. Producer gas is generated at low temperature less than 1000 degrees Celsius. Mixture of combustible and non-combustible gases. Syngas is generated at higher or greater than 1200 degrees Celsius temperature. It is the mixture of hydrogen plus carbon monoxide. Hydrogen plus carbon monoxide mixture are the components of syngas. Syngas can be produced from producer gas by two types of process. First is thermal cracking, second is catalytic reforming. Syngas is produced from producer gas by two types of process, thermal cracking and catalytic reforming. Stages of gasification process. First stage of gasification process is drying. It is the first thermal reaction on fuel wood feed in an unit. The biomass is fed at the top of the gasifier hopper. Biomass is then moves down. Temperature for drying is 120 degrees Celsius. Moisture of air dried biomass is 13 to 15 degrees Celsius. Air dried biomass. Oxidation zone evaporates moisture of biomass in uppermost layers. Oxidation zone, stronger heating. So drying is nothing but the first thermal reaction on fuel wood feed in an unit. Biomass is fed at the top of the gasifier hopper. Biomass is then moves down. Temperature for drying is 120 degrees Celsius. Moisture of air dried biomass is 13 to 15%. Oxidation zone evaporates moisture of biomass in uppermost layers. Oxidation zone has stronger heating. Char is nothing but the fixed carbon. The second stage of gasification process is pyrolysis. Pyrolysis is occurred at 400 degrees Celsius. At greater than 200 degrees Celsius, the temperature of pyrolysis. At greater than 200 degrees Celsius, materials volatilize. Without air or oxygen, pyrolysis is occurred. Once temperature reaches 400 degrees Celsius, materials break down. Materials means wood or other organic solids. At this temperature, a self-sustaining exothermic reaction takes place. So pyrolysis is occurred at greater than 200 degrees Celsius. At greater than 200 degrees Celsius, raw materials or biomass materials volatilize. Without the air or oxygen, pyrolysis is occurred. Once temperature reaches 400 degrees Celsius, raw materials break down. Materials means wood or other organic solids. At 400 degrees Celsius temperature, a self-sustaining exothermic process or exothermic reaction takes place. Products of pyrolysis are water vapor, methane, acetic acid CH3COOH, heavy hydrocarbonates. Remaining of biomass is the char or fixed carbon. So products of pyrolysis are water vapor, methane, acetic acid and heavy hydrocarbon tars. Heavy hydrocarbon tars. Remaining of biomass is called char or fixed carbon. Two types of zones in which biomass loses all its volatile and gets volatilized. Two types of zones. primary pyrolysis zone and secondary pyrolysis zone. Normal temperature of primary pyrolysis zone is 200 to 600 degrees Celsius and normal temperature of secondary pyrolysis zone is 300 to 800 degrees Celsius. So two types of zones in which biomass loses its all volatile and gets volatilized. Primary pyrolysis zone, normal temperature 200 to 600 degrees Celsius, and secondary pyrolysis zone, normal temperature 300 to 800 degrees Celsius. The third stage of gasification is oxidation. It is the actual combustion of char, pyrolyzed gases and tars. Combustion is similar to the normal stove or furnace. Combustion temperature is 900 to 1200 degrees Celsius. Oxidation has highest temperature. In presence of oxidation is occurred in presence of air or oxygen that is supplied in a calculated quantity to the tires or air nozzles. So oxidation is the actual combustion of tars, chars and pyrolyzed gases. Combustion is similar to the normal stove or furnace temperature. Combustion temperature is actual combustion or oxidation temperature is 900 to 1200 degrees Celsius. It is the highest temperature. So oxidation stage of gasification has the highest temperature. Oxidation is occurred in the presence of oxygen or air which is supplied at a calculated quantity to tires or air nozzles. Products of oxidation zone: high temperature gases and water vapor. Tar is cracked in high temperature, so it is not produced. Oxidation zone products: high temperature gases and water vapor. Tar is cracked in high temperature. Principal reactions of oxidation: carbon plus oxygen, carbon dioxide plus heat. Methane plus oxygen, carbon dioxide plus H2O, water plus heat. C plus O2, CO2 plus heat. CH4 plus O2, CO2 plus H2O plus heat. The fourth stage or last stage of gasification is reduction. Products of oxidation zone are passed to reduction zone at the packed bed of charcoal. This charcoal is initially supplied by external sources. This charcoal is later replaced by the char that was produced by pyrolysis zone. Temperature of reduction is 800 to 900 degrees Celsius. So products of oxidation zone are passed to reduction zone. Reduction zone at the reduction zone is present at the packed bed of charcoal. Charcoal is initially supplied by the external sources. Charcoal is later replaced by the char that was produced by pyrolysis process. The temperature of reduction zone is 800 to 900 degrees Celsius. Principal reactions under the reduction process: CO2 plus C, carbon dioxide plus carbon, 2CO. In this reaction, how much energy is produced? 173 millijoule per kg per mole. C plus H2O, carbon plus water, CO plus H2, 132. Carbon monoxide plus hydrogen, 132 millijoule per kg per mole. C plus 2H2O. Heavy water. Carbon dioxide plus 2 molecules of hydrogen, 88 millijoule per kg per mole. C plus 2H2O. CH4 methane, 75 millijoule per kg per mole. At the first step, 173 millijoule. Second step, 132 millijoule. Third step, 88 millijoule. Fourth step, 75 millijoule. CO2 plus C, 2CO. C plus H2O, CO plus H2. C plus 2H2O, CO2 plus 2H2. C plus 2H2O, CH4. 6 types of gasifiers.